Sisters. Today we're doing another Mark Rober, and this time it's a trip wire. So let's go. Watch the video. So we watched the video, so now let's do the instructions. So we should have this. So step number 1, get these to grab, or there's 2, to grab this. Oh, yeah. And apparently, I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to put this one. Yeah, I'm supposed to. 1. Almost there. 2. 3. 4 and 5. So step number 1 should look like this. So step number 2 is the flip this over. Step number 3 is to get this and attach it like this through the holes. Number 4 says to put these on. So number 6, on top of this layer, we put this. Number 7 is to look and get these. Make sure these hole thingies with these make sure it's not flat. Make sure it's small, because that's, if you're on the flat side, then you're on the wrong side. So next, we have to put this on. You have to put all of them on. Step 7, you're supposed to put the rubber bands around all of them. So step number 9 says, I think, to grab these pieces through to the other side. And this hole, put it here. Number 10 is that we're going to get these 4 pieces and put this hole right here in here. So number 11 is to get this and done. Oh, come on. Stick through 1 hole done. So now we need to do the other hole. Step number 12 is to put these white ones, the black rings, on the edges of this, I think. You gotta have it like this one when you wrap it. There we go. So now that we did step number 12, now we go to step number 13. So we're on step 13, and we need the small one, not the long one. So get the small one and put this up. Get this, put this in right here, and screw this inside here. We did one side, so screw. Okay, so now we have 1. It's going like this, 3, 2, 1. So now we need to do that for this other one. Number 18 is to get the small hole again. 2, and then get these long sticks. Make sure there's one like this and one like this. You get this and get this and you stick this through here. Stick this through this hole, and in that hole, this. So now we're gonna do that for the other one. Here we go. So we're supposed to get these tied together. So now, whenever you do step number 18, it should look something like this. So step number 19 is to look somewhere at this hole, and I think you're supposed to get this. Yeah. And you put this in here. You get this. So you stick this through here, and stick this. And one side goes through this toilet here, and the other side goes. So you put one side here, put this other side through here. This. Once you unravel it, then you connect this. And there we go. And now for the test. I'm hosting. So we skipped a few steps. So on step number 15, whenever this is closed, you have to put a rubber band through the hoop, the small middle small. And stick this through. And there we go. So, right. What? Now that we have to do that for the other end. So, number 16, you're supposed to, there's a tiny thing right here coming out on the side, and you have to wrap it around that side. So you have to put one side here, put the other here. And you also have to do that for this one and 2. So step number, so now let's go back to that page we were on. So we need to click this. Wait, what? Oh no. We need to click this all the way back. And then, on a moment of truth, boom. So, step number 21. Get the big piece. Let's do it. And stick it this one. What makes the cap, you start screwing once you see it, once you just barely see it. So like you see where I stopped it. You see, it's just barely poking out. So we need to do that for the other one. And stick it through the hole and screw it until you can barely see it. There we go. So number 22 is to flick this back. And if it doesn't work, then it shouldn't stick. But as you see, it just sticks. Barely. And we need to put all of it. One more. 3 more. Or even just 5. So finally, we have to test it by pulling it in. So, I'm gonna test it. Now let's put the Monument Transformer in. So get this and this in. To tell you that you see that little hole on the side, you gotta make sure there's something sticking out of the white thing, and you have to line it up with the hole. You can just stick it in and ta-da! So bye viewers, thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button, the subscribe button, and the bell button. Bye.